Daddy. Daddy.
Tonight is on a island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for seductive as he touch. I needed to.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Zakia if you are new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. By the title you can see that I'm gonna do what I eat a day, but I'm actually gonna do it for, you know, eating out. So if you on the road, if you just not gonna be home, if you don't have time to make your meals, this video is gonna be good for you, just to give you an idea of what you can eat if you can't meal prep or if you can't be home cooking. So I'm on my way to Panera Bread, and I actually went on the app. The good thing about the app is that the Panera Bread app actually gives you the calories and the macros for all the meals that they have on their menu. So I ordered the steel cut oats, and it has pecans and strawberries on it, so that's 370 calories. And then I also ordered the fruit cup, which is 60 calories. So that's my meal for breakfast, and that's a total of, I believe, 430 calories. If it's not, I'll have it here just to correct it. The total calories that I'm eating today are 1,500 calories, and that's what I'm going to show you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And hopefully I can get a snack in as well. So I'll see y'all when I get my food. Got the breakfast. Honestly, I like my oatmeal a certain way, so I'm a little like because some people, the way they make their oatmeal is like too soft for me, and I like mine a little, I guess you could say, I don't know, a little, I've had soggy oatmeal, and I'm just hoping this is not soggy oatmeal, like seriously. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice size too, actually. Please taste good. This is what it looks like. Let me get some pecans. It's kind of bland until you mix the brown sugar in it. The oats itself, I like the texture of it. I definitely would put some honey in here too. Eats honey, but it's actually good. I can do it. It's a lot, so this is gonna be filling. I've never had oatmeal with strawberries in it, so let me see. It's not bad. I'm satisfied. It's pretty good. So again, this is 370 calories, pecan, strawberries, oatmeal, and it has some brown sugar in it too. So it's a nice size too. It got pineapples, grape, it looked like cantaloupe, honeydew. So, and this is 60 calories. So I'm about to go home, finish this on my way home, and then I'm gonna see y'all for lunch. All right, y'all, I'm back. So it is 2:33. I'm on my way to Chick-fil-A to get lunch. I'm starving. I got Rocky back here with me. You probably can't even see him. The people want to say hi. Okay. That didn't work. If you're out, just know you're going to be spending some money. Especially if you're eating out and you're trying to get whatever your calorie intake is, make sure you're eating quality food. You don't want to, this is not a fast food, eat 1,500 calories, fast food. If y'all want me to do that, I'll do that. But I'm all about eating healthy, whole foods, throwing in your snacks, throwing in your favorite dishes and stuff like that in moderation. But today is a day of eating out at places that I know the food is quality and it's not gonna have me sluggish or anything like that. So that's why I went to Panera, and now I'm on my way to Chick-fil-A because I trust those enough to, you know, if I eat out at their restaurants, that the calories are accurate or close to accurate, and it's not gonna cause me to gain any weight. And I'm not doing this to say to y'all every day go out and eat, because it's money too, you know. So Ain't nobody telling you to go. This is not a video to tell you to go, you know, eat out at a restaurant every day. But life happens. People are busy, or you just don't feel like cooking, and that's fine. So that's what this video is all about. And then I already have dinner planned of what I want to get. I added that into my MyFitnessPal. If you're new here, I do count my calories on MyFitnessPal. So I added all of my meals up already in the beginning of the day. So I already know, like, if I have anything left over, if I don't have anything left over. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. Patiently waiting in line. Hello. I don't need no french fries, but you know who you are. Alright, y'all, so I got a 12-piece grilled nugget and a parfait. It's like, it's just yogurt with granola and fruit in it. I wanted something sweet, but I also wanted to make sure I got my protein in, because I didn't really get any protein in this morning with the oatmeal and the fruit. It comes with this granola, and you just, you know, throw it on there or whatever. So that's all I got. I had to make sure I stayed within my calories, and the total for that, I added the zesty buffalo sauce that I'm gonna use for my nuggets. I didn't really want that, but I was like, let me just be good. 495 calories, 51.4 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat, excuse me, and 41 grams of carbs. Alright, y'all, so it is 7:10. I went to Bonefish. If you don't know what Bonefish Grill is, it's a restaurant mainly based, mainly like seafood. That's like what their specialty is or whatever. So let's see if they got this order right. Bonefish is bomb, y'all. That's where they have the Bang Bang shrimp. That's where, I think that's where the Bang Bang shrimp originated from. So if you haven't been there, go there. So I got the Kung Pao Brussels sprouts. Now that it. Then I got the George's Bank, which is grilled salmon and shrimp. I don't know if y'all can see that. Grilled salmon and shrimp with some lemon, and then some garlic mashed potatoes. It always comes with bread, which I don't know why they do that to me. Even when you request, I think one time I requested no bread and they still gave me bread. And I was like, well, I ain't gonna let this go to waste. And still ate it. Okay, there we go. That's the salmon. I mean, the salmon. That's the, what is it? Okay, there we go. That's the grilled scallop. It's gonna be hitting. So good. It's garlic mashed potatoes, bruh. Alright. Original plan was to get the George's Bank scallop and shrimp with steamed vegetables and call it a day. But they didn't have any more steamed vegetables, so let me adjust. So the George's Bank, just the scallops and shrimp, is 38 grams of protein in itself. So let me add the mashed potatoes. I just searched it. I don't know if y'all can see, it's the first one. It's 190 calories. So I only went over 63 calories, which really isn't that deep for me. So that's a total of 500 calories, 42 grams of protein, 23.5 grams of fat, and 31.5 grams of carbs. So you can reach your 1500 calories eating out. Confession, I did have some goldfish earlier while I was home because I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna go out just to get a snack. That was 140 calories for a serving of goldfish. But look, the point was to show y'all I can eat. You can go out and still have quality food, still have certain types of food to meet your calorie goals for the day. At the end of the day, be smart with your calories. Try not to eat stuff that you're still gonna be hungry off of, but it's a lot of calories. Like, for instance, if you eat some grilled shrimp, rice, and broccoli or whatever, and say that's, I don't know, 450 calories, versus going and eating some fries from McDonald's, a large fry that's probably more than 450 calories, but say it is 450 calories, you're gonna be hungry after them fries. But if you eat something like shrimp, rice, like whole foods with broccoli, that's gonna work. Somebody was pulling up right beside me, so I was in the midst of my conversation with y'all. And you know they was gonna look over with me talking. Let me show y'all these Brussels sprouts. Yeah, boy. Let me get home and eat this. But I want to thank y'all for sticking with me in this video. I hope you liked it. If y'all want me to do another one, I could do another one. If you want me to do a certain type of amount of calories, I could do that. Or if you want me to do like fast food, I'll do that. I'll try. That will have to be on, I'll be doing that on like my cheat day or refeed day, whatever you want to call it. I see y'all new subscribers. We reached 500. We reached 502 subscribers before the new year. All right, my battery keep dying. No, the temp is too high, but I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.